Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Aviara boat dealer here in South Florida. And today we're going to do a nice little walkthrough on a 2024 36 Aviara. 300 Mercury Verado V8s. This is such a cool progressive styling brand. They run amazing offshore. They check a lot of boxes as far as what they offer. You have a cabin space on this with a generator, you have an open cockpit, you have lots of shade, you have performance. These are built in Florida. Really cool product. They don't look like anything else on the water that we like unique. All Joe Colt hulls. You can pick and choose your colors, schemes. This is all cool feel vinyl in the boat. You can see the stadium seating back here. Those go up and down. Just give you some different seating arrangements. The boats are very deep. They have a lot of freeboard. All C-deck flooring. You have an awesome electric grill here and wet bar. You can see the make fast shade that comes out of the hardtop. They give you even more shade. They even put gas shocks on all of their compartments here. So you lift up this cushion, you have a gas shock. Looks like a Louis Vuitton bag underneath there. Really classy. They do a lot of nice other touches like billet aluminum covers for the speakers. It's really nicely done. Very few supports for the hardtop, so it just flows nicely. This one has dual refrigerators in here. Really nice setup. The helm is gorgeous. It's actually all standard, a big Simrad unit, all digital switching, joystick controls. Check out the little cabin in this boat. Great to get the kids out of the sun or the heat. You are doing overnight on. You have a fully enclosed bathroom as well. You can stand up in. Television with sound bar. Look at how deep this boat hits me. Walking through here, it's hitting me above my waist. Awesome bow rider seating, windlass anchor, of course. Turn it around. Again, this is an Aviara 36 Outboard, 2024. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. We'll do a little panorama of our marina here. Come see us today. Thank you very much.